In this video, we are going to be talking about why your short are not showing in the short feed and the solutions that you can put in place to solve that. In case you are having these challenges where you post your short and you're not getting like it showing in the short feed, you need to actually watch this video all the way from beginning to the end, because this video consists of all the problems that can lead to that and the solutions that you can put in place to solve that. And some people, you see that their short are also showing in the search, but it's not showing in the short feed. So you need to watch the video all the way from beginning to the end to know how to fix all that. And more to the point, if your short are not showing in the short feed and it's only showing in the search, there is no way that that particular short will go viral. So if you want to be getting your short to be going viral, you need to actually watch this video all the way from beginning to the end. And this video is actually going to be slow, so don't expect me to go speed, because I want everybody watching this particular video to take something from this video and go and apply it on his or her channel and get results from it. So that's why I want to actually slow this video down so that everybody can actually get something from the video. I'm going to actually be addressing the common reasons that can lead to your short not showing in the short feed. So number one reason that can lead your short not showing in the short feed is the aspect ratio. So when we are talking about the aspect ratio, like your YouTube short should be having 9:16 by aspect ratio. So it should be vertical and it should be by 9:16 in aspect ratio. And if your short does not meet this criteria and it is in horizontal, then you are likely not to see your short in the short feed, or your short is likely not to be showing in the short feed. So make sure anytime that you are filming your short, make sure you put it vertically and the aspect ratio should be 9:16. That way YouTube is going to recognize that one has short. Like they're going to recognize that one has YouTube short and they'll push your short into the short feed. The second reason that can lead to your short not showing the short feed is that when your short like is not comply with YouTube community guidelines, and if like your short is not comply with YouTube community guidelines, there is likelihood that like that particular short is not going to be showing in the short feed, because YouTube will not allow you to actually put like short that they don't want it on their platform, and because of that they will not promote that particular short. That is the reason. So make sure you are familiarize yourself with YouTube policy guidelines. So make sure you are familiarize yourself with YouTube community guidelines and know like what they want on their platform and what they don't want on their platform, and make sure your short is also original. Make sure like you make it original so that it will be different from everybody's own in the platform. Don't copy somebody's short, or don't just take somebody's short and go and put it on your channel and expect it to be shown in the short feed, because YouTube is not going to allow that. So make sure your short is original and it's also following YouTube community guidelines. The third reason that can lead your short not to be showing in the short feed is the length of your short. The length of your short. So your length, like your YouTube short length should be within 60 seconds. It should be within 60 seconds. And now YouTube actually increased it to 3 minutes. And I've not tested the 3 minute one. I don't know how good it is. I've not tested it, but I'm talking about those that I've tested and the possible solutions that I've used and I was able to fix. These are some of the things that I'm talking about. So make sure your short is within 60 seconds. And if your short is not within 60 seconds, YouTube is not going to recognize that one as short. Like previously, they're not going to recognize that one as short. And because they will not recognize that one as short, they are not going to be showing that one in the short feed. That way, it can also lead to your short YouTube short not showing in the short feed. So before you if you want your short to be showing in the short feed, you need to actually check that one out. Make sure you check it out to be sure that your short is within 60 seconds, or the new policy that they have implemented 3 minutes long, so that it can be showing in the short feed. Another factor that can actually lead your short not to be showing in the short feed is time of uploading. time of uploading. So it depends, like before your short to be shown in the YouTube like short feed, like it is going to take some period of time before it can be shown in the short feed. And mostly, for instance, it normally take like 24 hours or even 1 week before your short can be showing in the short feed. So if your short is not showing in the short feed within that particular 24 hours or within 7 days, you don't need to actually panic, because short can take longer than 24 hours before it can be shown in the short feed. And when you now go about that, that means there should be maybe some problem with that. So time of uploading can also determine either for your short either to be shown in the short feed or not. So if you are also experiencing that challenge, look for the time interval that you have taken to upload that particular short. Do you upload it within 24 hours or within a week? So you need to check all that before you can verify that, oh, this particular short is having problem, and you now be looking for solutions on how to fix that. The next problem that can lead to your short not to be showing in the short feed is the engagement level. Like if your short is not getting comments, likes, and subscribers, so YouTube is actually going to recognize that, or the algorithm is going to recognize that one has, in quote, short, like bad short, or short that doesn't add value to their community. And because of that, they are actually going to ignore that, and due to that, your short can actually like being avoided from showing in the short feed, or they can like let your short not be showing in the short feed. So make sure you encourage people to actually comment and like or subscribe to your channel. When you make your short, make sure you put script call to action in the short to actually like increase engagement, so that way YouTube can actually promote your video in the short feed. Channel status can also cause your short not to be showing in the short feed. What did I mean by channel status? If your YouTube channel is actually new, like the probability of you not getting your YouTube short showing in the short feed is very high. So because by that time YouTube have not actually recognized your audience or your channel audience, so they will find it difficult to actually promote that particular short in the short feed. So that way it can also like prevent it from showing in the short feed. And more to the point, if your channel is also having less subscribers, and if your channel is having less subscribers, it can also prevent your short from showing in the short feed, because, or it can reduce the number of times your short will be showing in the short feed. So because YouTube actually do, like, should I say, algorithm test to see if like small channel, like they will set it within a limit to say, okay, within this limit, if a channel is having this particular number of subscribers, then that particular channel should be having like YouTube short, their short should be shown within this period, like this number of times in the feed. And if that reach that time, it should not be shown in the feed. So if your channel is actually new or is having less subscribers, so be expecting it to be showing less in the short feed as well. So now actually we have actually addressed the reason why your short will not be showing in the short feed, and we are now going to actually be addressing or be putting the solutions that you can put in place to actually make sure that your channel, like your short, are actually showing in the short feed. So number one solution that you can actually put to make sure that your short are actually showing in the short feed is that make sure you put the right title, the right description, and the right tags. So if your channel like is talking about baseball, or it's talking about any other, like your short is actually talking about baseball, it's talking about football, make sure you put title related to that particular niche and put hashtags related to that particular niche. And also, more to the point, the description, make sure you include the keyword that you are targeting for your short. Make sure you include that particular keyword in the channel description, and you let it also appear in the tags and also in the title, so that YouTube will know that this particular short is talking about this, and they will know the right people to actually promote that particular short. And if you do that one correctly, you are likely for your short to be showing in the short feed. So the second solution that can actually make your short to be showing in the short feed is that you need to actually check your video settings. You need to actually check your video settings. And how are you going to actually check your video settings? Make sure your video, the aspect ratio is actually 9:16 and it's actually 60 seconds long, and it's also actually public. So make sure your shot is actually public. It's 9:16 and it consists of all the settings that you need to actually put in place. So make sure you put the right settings there so that your shot can be showed in the short feed. So another solution that can actually help you to solve this particular problem of your shot not showing in the short feed is that make sure you also promote your shot. Promote your shot in other social media platforms. Like if you are actually like uploading it on YouTube, make sure you also like upload it on, or you can actually promote it in a blog or on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Quora. Make sure you also promote it on those platforms. And when you are promoting it on such platforms, you are likely for your shot to be shown in the short feed. So make sure you also promote your shot as well. So another solution that you can actually put in place to actually solve this problem is that make sure you follow all the YouTube community guidelines, and make sure you you are familiar with all the YouTube community guidelines to be like to make sure that your shot comply with all that particular community guidelines. So when you are you comply with all the community guidelines, like YouTube can actually you're likely for your shot to be shown in the short feed more. And let's say you do all these things and your shot is actually not showing in the short feed. What are you now going to do? Okay, there is also another solution to that. Like if you upload it, let's say you upload about 100 YouTube short and still you haven't seen any results on that particular channel, this is what you need to do. Create a brand new Gmail, and when you create a brand new Gmail, just go to YouTube and start watching videos with that particular Gmail, because you are going to warm up that particular Gmail or that particular account. You are going to warm up it, and you need to actually use 3 to 4 days or even 1 week to be using that particular account to be watching videos on YouTube. And make sure that particular Gmail, the number that you use to verify that particular Gmail, is not linked to any of that particular channel that was struggling to get views. So make sure none of it is linked to that, and make sure you warm up that particular account. And how are you going to warm it? Make sure you take a week to be watching videos. At least you can watch an hour long tutorial, so that YouTube will know that this person is a real person. It's not a robot. It's a real person that is watching this, that is actually having this account. And when they know that this particular account is a real human being, they will be willing to actually show this particular channel love when you start to create content on that particular channel. And after you have warmed up that particular channel, you don't just when you, later on that, let's say the next week you create a channel for that, you brand it, make the top the banner, the profile and everything, the description, you put everything in you put the description, you create a channel and put the description in the next week. And from the next week, you can actually, after you put the description and everything, just upload one video and leave it there for 3 to 4 days and see if YouTube will start to push it. If they haven't pushed it, leave it for another 3 days and upload another shot again. And when you upload another shot again, don't complicate it, leave it that day, and the next day you upload another shot again. And when you upload another shot again, just leave it or give it some time, let's say for about 5 days, and upload another shot. Don't overload the shot on that particular channel. Don't upload just put a lot of shot at once, because that way YouTube will see that this particular channel is bored and they are not going to actually promote that channel. And make sure, let's say within a month, you create a channel within a month, make sure you have 4 or 5 videos in that particular channel. And let's say the next month, you can now start to upload consistently to see the results that you're going to get. So this YouTube game, everything is about patience. If you want to go quick, there will be a lot of obstacles on the way. Make sure you go through and learn on the process. Don't just be uploading without learning. Look at your analysis, your analytics, and see what things to fix. See the wipe through rate or the click-through rate and the wipe-through rate. See the difference. How are people watching this particular shot, and what are their reactions? So, and know the adjustment to put. And I'm assuring you that if you follow these steps, you are likely to get your shot be showing in the short feed. And if your short are actually showing the short feed, you are actually guaranteed to actually get monetized faster than if your short is actually showing in the search. So I'll view you guys here, and if this video was helpful, make sure you give this video a subscribe, and more to the point, like this video.